Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Armitron digital watch that features only two buttons. So as you can see, we have the upper button that can actually be pushed, and this is going to display the date, and when I release it, it is going to go back to the current time. Now there is going to be another very tiny button right here that you cannot press using your finger or your nail. So what you are going to need is to have a tool in order to push it. So you can use the pin remover or you can use a metallic pair of tweezers. And what we want to do is to press it in order to be able to set the time and date. So what I am going to do is press it once, twice, and as you can see right now, I can actually press the upper button in order to select the month. And let's say I want to make it January, then I'm going to press the lower button once again, and here I can select the day of the month. So let's make it the 1st of January. You won't be able to select the year as it is time and date only. And then I'm going to press it again. And now I'm going to arrive at setting the time. As you can see, I am now 9 and we have here a P that stands for PM. So if I go past 12 o'clock, I'm going to switch to AM. So as you can see, now I am 4 AM, so 4 in the morning. I'm going to press it once again in order to also select the minutes, and I'm going to press the upper button in order to change the minutes. And you can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. As you can see, it is going to go a lot faster, and let's make it 5. Just like that. I'm going to release it, and if I press the lower button once again, all the settings have been saved. So as you can see, it is 4 and 5 minutes, and if I press the upper button, I will be able to see that this is the 1st of January. Once again guys, this tutorial can be applied to other digital watches out there that feature the two buttons. Usually the upper one is going to be used in order to switch between the time and date, and also in order to adjust the minutes and the date. And the lower button is going to be your, let's say, mode button that you are going to use in order to toggle and to switch between setting the time and date. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comment section below if this video was helpful. Subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you want to see more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this vintage Armitron digital watch, which as you can see is in pristine condition. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.